Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create this perspective image on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a perspective view of our images on your Canva, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the plus create symbol. Now here you have to select a option called photo editor. So now just select any pic. For an example, here I'm just going to choose a pic from my I just created a thumbnail, so I just go with the image. So now you have to click on the crop option. After clicking on the crop option, you have this option called perspective. It's a new update. If you just go to the photo editor, you can just do this on the Canva. Now you have a two option called vertical and horizontal. So if we just move here, you can see it's actually vertically, it changes the perspective. So I just go with the upward. So you can see how it's going to be. And the most interesting thing was about the horizontal thing. So just go to the left side or right side. You can see the perspective has been changing here. So this is the way that you can just easily change the perspective view of any images or any images you just need to edit it. It's so simple. You can just change the perspective view by this. And also you can have an option called hold on to compare. So just click on this and just click it again. You can see how the perspective has been changed. And after doing this, click on the done option. So image has it will be saved, and click on the done option and click on the save option on the top. So this is the way that you can just change the perspective view of any images on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super marble content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.